Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through the side menu options. First we can start on the dashboard page and then move over to the menu icon and select it. Now the side menu appears and we are given a variety of different options to click. So let me go down the list and help explain everyone. First we have dashboard, which when you click it brings you back to your dashboard screen. So I would consider this my home button, so to speak. Then for the next few options, companies, contacts, opportunities, tasks, and initiatives, each one of those menu options have an extended menu which allows you to create that specific option or manage. For example, if you want to create a new company in your CRM, then you would select Create Company and go through filling everything out. Another scenario would be if you already have imported or added multiple companies into your CRM system, and you want to go and view them and edit them, you'd be able to select Manage Companies, which would then take you to the Manage Companies grid page, which shows every company you've added into the system, as well as some information pertaining to them. Each one of these, companies, contacts, opportunities, tasks, and initiatives offer the same menu options. A Create option to create, and a Manage to view the grid of all the information you have put in specific to that area. Next we have Reports, which also has an extended menu of all the different types of reports you can view. A few range from the Reports dashboard to activity reports and specific opportunity reports to see how close you are to closing a deal. And then after that, we have the Admin options, which have an extended menu as well to allow you to configure and customize specific things in your CRM platform. And then after that, last but not least, we have Logout, which logs you out of the system. One last menu option I want to mention, and you've probably noticed, is the My Account button. That button takes you to your account settings where you're able to customize and update different settings like your account information, password, payment methods, account access, and etc. And that wraps up the CRM side menu. Hopefully this quick run through helped explain everything in the menu so you're able to navigate a lot easier moving forward. Thanks again for watching the video, and if you found it useful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.